Airbus has announced that Delta Airlines, a major American carrier, has firmed up an order for a dozen more Airbus A220-300 aircraft. The newly placed order has brought the airline's total firm order for A220 to 119 aircraft, which includes 45 A220-100 and 74 A220-300 jets. So in this video, we're going to talk about Airbus A220's order. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Delta was the first US airline to adopt the narrow-body A220 series and is the largest operator of that Airbus aircraft. Currently, the carrier has 14 A220-300s and 45 of the smaller A220-100s in service. The Atlanta-based carrier announced that it'll add 12 more Airbus A220-300 aircraft to its order book, converting options into firm orders with a Toulouse, France-based manufacturer at an undisclosed cost. With a new order, Delta has a delivery backlog of 60 A220-300s. Other than Delta, Breeze Airways and JetBlue Airways are the other US carriers operating the Airbus A220. Air Canada also flies the jet on transborder routes to and from the US. The fleet is currently flying on over 825 routes and 325 destinations worldwide. As of the end of December 2022, nearly 30 customers have ordered close to 800 A220 aircraft. Confirming its leading position in the small single-aisle market, the new aircraft will be delivered in 2026 to 2027. According to Delta, it's placed a comparable order for 12 aircraft last July. These 12 additional A220 aircraft will help power our increasingly streamlined fleet while also providing our customers with the elevated in-flight experience they've come to expect from Delta, stated Delta Vice President Kristen Boko. Neither Airbus nor its customer indicated a value to the new order, though it could be as much as $1.08 billion based on the A220-300's listed price of $90 million. Delta Airlines was the US launch customer for the A220, and this fourth recorder in just 4 years by a leading carrier, as Delta is the most gratifying endorsement, according to Airbus Chief Commercial Officer Christian Scherer. The aircraft is currently connecting Delta passengers on more than 100 routes at 25% less fuel and CO2 emissions. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. The Airbus A220 is the first aircraft on the market that was developed expressly to address the market for 100 to 150 seats. It featured cutting-edge aerodynamics, cutting-edge materials, and cutting-edge GTF engines manufactured by Pratt & Whitney. Customers benefit from the advantages of a noise footprint that is decreased in half and NOx emissions that are cut by nearly the same amount thanks to the A220, which compares favorably to the norm for the industry in terms of both of these metrics. The A220 has proven to be quite popular with airlines. To date, more than 70 million passengers have enjoyed the A220. While airlines enjoy the economics of the A220, the jets are also fan favorites for travelers. Delta's version is outfitted in a two-class configuration with first class and economy. Delta's A220-300 features 130 seats spread across 12 first-class recliners, 30 extra legroom Comfort Plus seats, and 88 economy seats. The company wants to increase the rate very significantly over the next few years to reach 14 planes in 2025. It's expected that production will eventually be 10 planes per month in Maribel and 4 planes in Mobile, explains Ms. Duchesne. The Airbus A220 production rate, however, had to be slowed by supply chain difficulties in 2022. The European aircraft manufacturer estimates that the program, still 25% owned by the Quebec state, should still reach profitability around 2025. Delta is arguably among Airbus's most important customers, and creative ways will be used to fit this order into a crowded order book. Recently, Bank of America noted that the tight order books at Airbus and Boeing could lead to more orders for Embraer. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment with your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see you in our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video just for you guys. Until then, take care, stay safe, and be happy, guys.